If you look closely at the operator of this green machine, you can see that he has a bag full of monkey animal crackers. Let's zoom up so you can see these better. There we go. Look at those delicious animal crackers. Anyway, monkey sounds like McConkey, so we'll be using monkeys to represent McConkey agar. More specifically, we'll use the monkeys to help you remember that an organism ferments lactose and therefore turns the McConkey agar pink. So in this image, the monkey should help you remember that E. coli is a lactose fermenter and results in a pink color on McConkey agar. This is a figure of McConkey agar, and notice that the organisms on the left right here are pink, and the organisms on the right are yellow. The pink color occurs as lactose fermenting organisms produce acid from the lactose, which lowers the pH of the agar and causes the pH indicator to turn pink. So E. coli would look like this on McConkey agar. Okay, now notice that the side of the bulldozer says speed 50 miles per hour. Seems pretty fast for a bulldozer. We've included this to the image right next to the bag of monkey animal crackers to help you remember that E. coli is a fast lactose fermenter. As the name suggests, this just means that E. coli ferments lactose faster than other microorganisms, such as Citrobacter and some Serratia species. You can see that now we've added a cat on the back of the bulldozer. And just like in our other videos, this is here to help you remember that E. coli is catalase positive. This is a picture demonstrating the catalase test, which we covered in more detail in section 7, which was our video on Listeria monocytogenes. And recall that the bubbles right here indicate that the organism is catalase positive. Next, notice that we've shown a guy standing next to the bulldozer who's enjoying Dole Whip. Dole sounds like indole, so this should help you remember that E. coli is indole positive. This is an image of the indole test, and this test is used to determine if an organism can convert tryptophan into indole. The test is performed by growing bacteria in a sterile test tube that contains tryptophan. If the organism can convert tryptophan into indole, then the test tube will turn red. So E. coli is indole positive, which means that the test tube would appear red, as we can see right here. Okay, now that we've covered most of the lab tests associated with E. coli, let's move on to discuss other important features. In addition to the bulldozer, notice that we've shown 3 guys helping supply water to the trapped travelers. As you can see, they're each carrying a bucket of water. They've been dumping it into the little stream and causing a bay area to form inside of the rocks. Just like in the last several videos, these 3 guys are here to help you remember that E. coli utilizes a type 3 secretion system.